Hey, this is Dave, and my brother Rich and I renovate houses. And if you've seen any of our videos, you know we're hopelessly addicted to DIY stuff. And typically we show you stuff that has to do with a house or renovating a house. Today we're going to take a little bit of a detour on that and show you how applicable it is to use DIY in all areas of life. Today we're going to show you how to regrip a golf club. And we're going to show you how to do it really fast and be able to use the club immediately. There are a number of different ways you can regrip golf clubs. And there's the typical way is using something like this, grip tape. It's made by Golf Works. And basically what you do is you take the old grip off, you put this tape on it, then you use a solvent solution or a lubricant like mineral spirits, or Golf Works actually makes it in a bottle that you can use, and you spray it on the club, fill the grip with it, and then slide it on. And it's a little bit messy. It gets the job done, and it's one way of doing it, but that's not how we're going to do it today. The one difficulty with that is that you have to let your club dry for 24 hours so that the handles are well adhered to the shaft through the use of the two-sided tape. We're going to show you a method that's much faster, much easier, less mess, and you can use your clubs immediately. We're using Golf Pride grips. My daughter got these clubs from her grandmother. We went and pulled them out, and as you can see, the grips are completely dry rotted. So we're going to go ahead and replace all of them. We are Amazon affiliates, so if you're interested in getting these grips or something like them, just go ahead and click on the link in the description below. These kind of grips, they're on Amazon for anywhere from $3 if you're getting a bundle of them, say 13 of them, up to $16 if you're just buying individual grips. The prices vary according to taste. Same thing with Golf Works. Golf Works has kits for regripping if you want to do the tape method. But for our purposes, again, all we're going to need is the golf grip and the golf club with the old dry rotted grips cut off. And then this is a hose attached to an air compressor. And if you don't have one of these, you can probably get one from a neighbor. They're pretty common, and you don't need one that big. Even a little pancake sized air compressor will do the trick. You need to go up to 70 or 90 psi, and that'll give you enough air for the task at hand. In order to show you how easy and quick this process is, and I'll use my stopwatch to show you, it's lightning fast, and when you get done, you can swing immediately. Okay, so let's get this process started. Here we go. So all you have to do is take a box cutter and cut off the old one. And like I said, these are completely rotted. And that's about it for that. And here we go. All right. Hold the club between your legs. Put start the grip, and it just goes on the first 1/4 inch, and this is the hardest part. Yeah, once it gets started, the rest is pretty easy. And so we got the needle on the compressor hose. By squirting air into the grip itself as it slides onto the shaft, what you're doing is blowing it up just enough to let it slide onto the shaft. And there you go. Good as new and ready to play. Hope this video helps. If you got any questions, go ahead and drop us a line. Thanks again for viewing, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. We have got lots more videos coming.